Welcome to this session. Now that WordPress is installed, it's time to explore the WordPress Dashboard, your main control center. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through each section of the dashboard so you know exactly where to go and what to do when managing your website. Before we dive into the dashboard, make sure XAMPP is running, WordPress is installed, and you're logged into your local site's admin panel. If you followed the previous tutorial, you should be good to go. Let's take a tour of the actual dashboard. I'll walk you through each section, from creating content to customizing your site. Pay close attention as this is the foundation for building your WooCommerce store later on. To sum up, you've now learned how to navigate the WordPress dashboard confidently. From writing posts to changing your theme, this panel gives you complete control over your website. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with others learning WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials. Up next, we'll begin setting up WooCommerce, so stay tuned.